How to clone WhatsApp on iPhone. Cloning WhatsApp can be useful if you want to use two separate WhatsApp accounts on the same device. To clone WhatsApp on iPhone, first download WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business from App Store. I have already downloaded WhatsApp, so let's download the second one. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open it. In the app, set up new WhatsApp account. Enter your phone number and verify it with the SMS code you receive. Once your new WhatsApp account is set up, you can customize it by adding name, profile picture and setting a status. Done. Now you can use your both WhatsApp account in two different WhatsApp. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.